let's restart. This is here the papyrus plant. So we use that plant to make the paper, and at the ancient time they use it also to make the paper from that plant. Okay, so firstly that plant here, it was holy for two reasons. So first reason, the flower here, it looks like the sun rays of Amun Ra. So if you know Amun Ra, in ancient time got a protection and also got of the sun. And about the second reason here, the next part of the plant, it looks like the pyramid shape. So the pyramid shape symbolizes certainty. So now we can cut this plant into which size we need, large or medium or small. So just for example, we cut it here into a small size, and after that we just remove the green part. So the green part, it was very strong, so they use it to make the baskets, sandals and boots. Here, they remove it like this. And by the way, at the ancient time, they squeeze also the green part to make the green color. So here we got the inner part. So the inner part, we use it for making the paper, but it is not flexible because it contains sugar and water. How we make it flexible? First, we use the hammer like this to remove the water from it. Here. So after that, we use the hand roll to remove the water like this from it completely and make it more flexible and make it more strong. So after that, the strips, it become like so flexible and so strong. And now we put it here in the water for 6 days to get a white paper like this. And we put it in the water for 12 days to get a brown one here like this. And after that, we get 2 pieces of cotton here. And we start to take the strips from the water and we put it here by one vertical way and one horizontal way. Here, just to make one piece. So we just put it like this. Here. That's it. They will stick together by the sugar inside the strips. And after that, we cover it here by the other piece. And we put it here on the hand for 6 days again. But at the ancient time, there is no 100%, there is no machine, so they used to heavy stones or to heavy rocks. And now 6 days in the water plus 6 days on the hand press, we get a white paper. 12 days in the water plus 6 days on the hand press, we get a brown one. And here we just get the first paper and hold the water. Also, you can hold it and you can check the details. So how could we know the difference between the original one and a fake one? We just put it here under the light. So when we put it under the light, we see 2 lines, horizontal and vertical, as I did it here before. So if you're just gonna smell the paper, you're just gonna smell like the natural smell. So that means no chemical inside this paper because that's the original one. And about the fake one, they make it from the banana leaves, then have a line, horizontal or vertical, and get a strong smell. By the way, the color of the fake one is gonna change after some time. We can find a fake one in some places in Egypt, like Khan Khali market in Sharm el-Sheikh, Aswan and Hurghada. That's it.